Oh, the back is there. Huh? Motostar. Thank you. Motostar carbon wrap, that was for Joseph. Here we go. This is how it look like. So just went to GDO as you saw in the video. I put the Voltmeter here, my quick throttle, and I have some extra LED light in the front. Let me park quickly somewhere.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
So basically the lights, they got freeway actually. Normal. 1, 2, 3. This one basically, when he put it here at first, when I turn the wheel, the handlebar, he will touch, so it will be dangerous. Wouldn't be good. So when you install those one on your bike, just check it to make sure now it works properly. Voltmeter, yeah, I wanted one, especially since my tricycle battery went off the other day, so at least you can keep an eye. And a Uma quick throttle racing, you know, need to have one. I also get racing ball grips instead of the one with the metal. I like the grip much better. Yeah, quick throttle is nice, huh? So the voltmeter was 250. The light was, I think it's 700. I think it was 750 or 800. Then they put it down to 700. I saw a lot cheaper everywhere else, but not the same design, and I really like this design, and I've been waiting for a long time actually to buy it. Quick Throttle was 1,250, but it's not from them. The Quick Throttle is actually from another shop in Zapote. I need to find the name, and if I find the name, I'll put in a link, and I'll write the name on the description. The grip was from GDO also, and it's 350. I think they put it down to 300 for me, something like that. But yeah, I actually went there yesterday. Oh, nice! Thanks for splitting on the road. Luckily it wasn't on me. I actually went there yesterday, and what happened, I started to vlog, and my microphone is actually, the adapter on my microphone is actually, it doesn't work anymore. So all my audio for the last 3 days didn't work. So I tried different things, but still not working. But yesterday I went to get some mirror from GDO, and also some oil, top one oil, because I need oil. Can I put it there? It's not very safe, is it? So yeah, now I'm gonna install the mirror. Well, I'm actually going to do it tomorrow. I will film tomorrow, and I'm just gonna go back to work. Thanks for watching as usual, and thanks for supporting this channel, because without you guys watching the video, there will be no money from YouTube once in a while. And you see, the money I use mostly to how do you call this, to modify the bike, is from YouTube. A good half of it is from YouTube. So yeah, I'm not really confident with the Quick Throttle in filtering. This is my first time. But yeah, thanks for your support, guys, always. Even on Facebook, you know. Facebook, I don't actually get no money from Facebook whatsoever. I only get on YouTube, but you know, it's always great to have followers. I actually have more followers on Facebook than YouTube, and I make more views on Facebook, which is nice, you know. It's always good to have support from you guys. Okay, Happy New Year. If this video probably will be out before, so Happy New Year, everyone. Enjoy. Oh yeah, watch out for my New Year's Eve vlog, because usually I finish at 11, so the time to go home I end up in a firework zone in Manila. So as last year, so it's gonna be funny this year. Should be funny. Thanks, guys. I think the mirror was like 1,000. Maturu. I don't remember. The mirror was around 1,000 pesos, but they are very nice. Longer than the usual small mirror you get.
One life to live, get it right. Let's take a ride. Kinda average, chasing green while cooking cabbage. Dreams of living lavish with bunnies or over carrots. Accumulating assets and everything that matters. Asian, I'm yellow with money, I'm looking like the Packers. I'm behind the cloud of smoke, before and after. Paragraphs explain visions my mind captures. Never scared when thinking of fear's not a factor. But fucking lame and whoever wanna see me shatter. Speaking of weapons, what I'm packing scares away my shadow. All I need is my pen, nickname my double barrel. Hell of heaven and hell on earth, ready for battle. And everybody die, so to me your life is borrowed. But what you do today will determine your tomorrow. So I'ma keep doing me and everything will follow. Holla, steady chasing for the dollars. I'm out searching for breads like orphans without a father. I'm a beast, still I see beauty in life. I stand to look the same, but we nothing alike. Fuck living in fear when death is something that we all share. I mean the only fear I have is God, say your prayers. Guns by my pillow, got me dreaming of gats. Listen man, I snort coke and I spit crack and lay dimes in their back. I'm so nasty, these pigs wanna charge me for raping the track. I go hard. See, I got my 9 on me, grinding every day, do it till the morning, trying to get paid. I gotta get paper. I gotta get mine. See, I got my 9 on me. Grinding every day, do it till the morning. Tryna get paper. I gotta get paper. I gotta get mine. My mind's driven, living in a society where cats try to take you down and making viral reels. Minor beef grows bigger, you couldn't find a piece. Far from a snake or rat, but I could find a cheese. Moving trees low key, cause death come in threes. And I spit rhymes like bullets, my pen a cock and squeeze. If we ain't talking about money, the conversation's brief. Paranoid by dreams of seeing broken teeth. Tattered arms tell stories by looking at the sleeves. Though the most commonly written is saying rest in peace. Well connected like stems and marijuana leaves. Even when they hating on me, I'm who they wanna be. This ain't rap, it's reality facts. This that let me claim your kids for bigger income tax. This that ride or die music and I'm bringing it back. And everything I speak real when it's laid on the track. I go hard. I got my 9 on me. Grinding every day, do it till the morning. Tryna get paper. I gotta get paper. I gotta get mine. See, I got my 9 on me. Grinding every day, do it till the morning. Tryna get paper. I gotta get paper. I gotta get mine. I'm riding with the llama, ratchet with the laser. Niggas dying for them dollars. That's the morning paper. Couldn't pay attention, how you gonna afford it?
Yo, you go squash here. What is that? Not sure if it's me or it was like that before. I think I scratched them already here. Very bad. So, quick test. That was a quick throttle. Now we're gonna test the light. Let's test the light now. Ta-dang! It's kind of bright. I think I need to put it down, to be honest. It's a bit too high. I'm gonna put it down to don't bother anyone in front of me. You know that there's another light behind me. A guy with a light too. This guy in the dark. This is why, you know, I mean, this road here is okay, there's some light, but a bit farther is there's no light at all. That's why I really want to have, you know, some extra light when I came to some dark, very dark place. I quite enjoy the quick throttle so far. It's very good. It gives you a little bit of extra push, you know, when you want to pass a car or accelerate, you know, in general. It's quite good.